It was a volatile day on Wall Street yesterday, as the S&P 500 closed lower after investor sentiment took a hit amid growing fears of an economic slowdown and ongoing inflation. By the closing bell, the Dow was down 0.9%. The S&P 500 slipped 0.2, while the Nasdaq managed to edge up by 0.1, closing in the green. Take a look.
U.S. stocks finished mixed after a roller coaster day on Wall Street, as President Donald Trump stuck to his tariffs. The Dow fell 0.9%, the S&P 500 slipped 0.2, and the Nasdaq rose 0.1. Early on Monday, the indexes touched their lowest levels in more than a year, and a key measure of volatility, also known as Wall Street's fear gauge, hit its highest level since August 2024. Investors continue to worry about an economic slowdown and rising inflation, as Trump warned he could further increase tariffs on China. But George Cipollone, PMEFX portfolio manager at Penn Mutual Asset Management, says he thinks the market is angling to move higher.
I think in general, given the magnitude of the declines that we've seen and the tough tariff talk, the market wants to it wants to rally, it wants to reverse here. And so it wants any shred of evidence that the Trump administration might back off. And so we saw a rumor earlier today, made the market absolutely surge. The Trump administration kind of tamped that down pretty quickly. Again, I think the Trump administration has this strategy, and it's to be as tough as they can possibly be, in spite of whatever happens to the markets. But the market desperately wants to reverse, and you could just feel it. There's a tangible feeling that it wants to reverse here on any bit of good news.